This FIREBAT T8 Plus is both small and compact. Can the SSD really be replaced? Actually, for these types of mini PCs, screws are often hidden behind some protection, such as foot pads. Simply removing the foot pads, you can see the internal screw. Let's unscrew it. Okay, the bottom cover is lifted, but we can see that the fan is still below, and the memory and hard drive are not visible at all. It's due to the T8 Plus using a design. Screw holes are located on the side in the space underneath. After loosening the screws, the top cover can finally be opened. You can see the built-in 2242 length M2 SSD in the T8 Plus. By purchasing M2 SSDs of the relevant specifications, the T8 Plus ports up to 2 TB of storage.